Good morning and welcome student. After a long break, again we start our online class. And in this session, obviously session will be changed. You did in the previous class in 2020. But in 2021, you will be promoted to another class. And in this session, class again started by online of you obviously. But in this situation, the student of class 9 to 12 come to school and school is open for your elder brothers. But you have to stay at home still now. So, we have to, nothing to do otherwise by online. So, I am Somisha, obviously, your one of the maths teacher, obviously. So, today we start again mathematics class, obviously, and this is the first period, obviously, in this class, the new class. So, the previous class, first chapter of your syllabus, obviously, this is the revision lesson. So, today we discuss about other things. Obviously, this mathematics class. So, one question is written, what is mathematics? In my point of view, mathematics is nothing but the problem solving ability. Mathematics is nothing but the problem solving ability. But in only one sentence, mathematics cannot be defined, obviously. So, what is mathematics? Discuss today about maths. Obviously, what is mathematics or other things by mathematics. Mathematics is the language in which God has written universe by Galileo. I repeat, mathematics is the language in which God has written universe by Galileo. It is not my word, obviously. And the second thing, the essence of mathematics lies in its freedom. The essence of mathematics lies in its freedom by George Cantor. Galileo is well known to all of you. George Cantor is also a well known mathematician, obviously. And Galileo is known to all of you. Clear? So, these two, and other way we can define mathematics. How many letters in the word mathematics? How many letters in the word mathematics? How many? In the letter, how many letters? Obviously, it is 11. So, mathematics consists of 11 letters. So, it is a like cricket team. Okay. Now, all the forms of MAT, which are all the full form of this, discuss later on. Okay. Now, in my point of view, mathematics is nothing but mathematics is like a cricket team of 11 players. Mathematics is a cricket team with 11 pairs. So, full form, here we write mathematics full form. So, M for mind, A accuracy, T talent, H hard work, E enthusiasm, M for memory, A for art and attention, T for tact, I for interest, C for cleverness, and S for smile. Now, the relation, M for mind, why it's called mind, why we take accuracy, why T for talent, etc. Discuss. Now, M for mind, first is mind. So, M for mind, this is nothing but The first letter M stand for mind, which is essential, very essential of you. Obviously, student of mathematics. So mind is very essential at first. Next, the second player A stand for accuracy, and I think accuracy A is the captain of the team mathematics. A is accuracy. This is the captain. This is captain of the team. Okay. Next, third player T for talent, which is always used to proving the theorem or etc. And next, fourth player is H, and H for hard work. H for hard work. Without hard working, which success in the subject cannot be attained. Without hard work, you can't success. Next, fifth pair, that is E, which is enthusiasm, which is tested while studying the subject. Next, sixth pair M is nothing but memory. Memory is also required for mathematics. You must mind the formula, etc. Okay. Next, number 7 player A stand for art and attention, which the ornament of you. This is the art and attention is the ornament of you also. So it is very essential, art and attention. Next, tact. T for tact, which often succeed when the knowledge fails. We solve any problem by very tactfully in this way. So it is tact. Next, interest. Very interesting. Interest is very interesting things. Without interest, you cannot learn maths. So the I stand for interest, which helps to grow as a student of mathematics, obviously. Next, the player C for cleverness. Without cleverness, the learning the subject is impossible. The learning the subject obviously this subject is mathematics and also other subject also. So is impossible. And last player, that means 11th player, is for, I write here, smile. Smile means, why it is for smile? The last pair of this team is smile, which plays on the leaves of you when you can solve a difficult problem. Okay, so this is the mathematics, 11 letters, and full form of mathematics is given by this: mind, accuracy, talent, hard work, enthusiasm, memory, art and attention, tact, interest, cleverness, and lastly smile. And obviously accuracy is the captain of this team. That's all. At first I have already told, mathematics is the problem solving ability. The problem may be real life problem or other. Here we write three problems. First one, Dipto learns swimming once a week. Let's calculate how many days he goes for swimming in 364 days. Instead of Dipto, you learn swimming once in a week. So we have to calculate in a year, near about 1 year, 364 days, near about 1 year, how many days you go for swimming. So it is your problem, real life problem obviously. Next question. The cost of a dozen eggs is rupees 48. Let's find the cost of 32 eggs. You go to market for grocery shop or other things, and your mother told you that bring 32 eggs. So you have to bring 32 eggs. So you must calculate the cost price of 32 eggs. This is also a real life problem. And number 3, if the price of one exercise book, you go to a shop of exercise book, obviously, bookstore, any bookstore, and cost of one exercise book is rupees 6.50. You have to bring 15 such exercise book. So what is the cost price? The price of one exercise book is rupees 6.50. Let's find the price of 15 such exercise book. Okay. So these all the problem based on real life problem. So mathematics is nothing but the problem solving ability, obviously. So if we find this, then so first we start from problem number 3. These all are revision exercise. We have already learned this problem in class 6. That means your previous class. So we start from the problem number 3. So cost price of one exercise book is 6.50. We have to find out the cost price of 15 such exercise book. What have to do? Very simple. Obviously, sir, it is very easy question. These all are known. Just multiplying this, we get so cost price of one exercise book is rupees 6.50. Therefore, cost price of this is obviously unitary method exercise book. This problem can be solved in other way also. That means rule of 3 or proportional. So 15 exercise book, that means rupees 6.50 multiplied with 15. Then find the value. 15 into 6.5. And 6.5, that means 65. Say 65. 5. So obviously if we multiply this, that is equal to rupees 97.50. So we must write the answer. Therefore, cost price of 15 exercise book be rupees 97.50. Okay, cost price of 15 exercise book rupees 97.50. Now, if your mother give you rupees 100, a 100 rupee note, then you give it to the shopkeeper, and the return how much? Obviously 100 minus 97.50, that is how much? Tell me. 2.50. That means rupees 2.50 you get. This is also another type of problem. This is also real life problem. This is clear. Cost price of one exercise book is given. We have to find out cost price of 50 exercise book. We can easily solve this problem. This is clear to all of you. Next, we learn the previous problem, that is problem number 2. Topic is Then we start again problem number 2. Okay. Next, problem number 2. The cost price of a dozen eggs is equal to 48. 1 dozen is equal to how much? 1 dozen is equal to how much? 12 piece. 12 piece. That means cost price of 12 eggs are given. We have to find out the cost price of 32 eggs. You solve this unitary method or use proportion ratio, direct proportion or inverse proportion. Proportion is in class 6. Yes, most probably. So first we study about proportion, then by unitary method also. Two methods. We follow these two methods of AST. So, in mathematical language, the problem will be number of eggs and cost price. Obviously, it is in rupees. So at first, 1 dozen means 12 piece. It is known to all of us now. And cost price of a dozen eggs is rupees 48. So number of eggs is 12. And cost price is 48. Now number of eggs is 32. We have to find out this. We have to find out the cost price. Now, if the number of eggs increases, then cost price is also increase or decrease. If the number of eggs are increases, then cost price is also increases. How? If cost price of 1 egg is rupees 5, then cost price of 2 egg is obviously 5 into 2, that is 10. Cost price of 3 eggs, 5 into 3, that is 15, and so on. So if the number of egg is increases, then cost price is also increases. Number of egg is increases, then cost price is also increases. So number of eggs and cost price are in direct proportion. Okay. So write down number of egg and its price are in direct proportion. Obviously, it is in direct. Keep it in your mind. So, I put here red ink also. Direct proportion. So, obviously, we can write this is these things. Suppose this is x. So x is equal to proportion and ratio in the next chapter. So we find x in this way, 48 into 32 by 12. 32 by 12, and 4 12s are 48. 4 into 32, that is equals to how much? 4 into 2, that is 8, 12. So cost price of 32x, cost price or price and the cost, okay. Cost price of 32A is rupees how much? 128. Rupees 128. You can solve this problem in other way also, that means by unitary method also. This is also correct. Unitary method in class 6 most probably. So this problem again I solve this problem by another method, that is unitary method. Okay, it is very easy. Again we solve this problem by unitary method. How? Just write down cost price of 12x is equals to rupees 48. Then find the cost price of 1 egg. It is lower than 48 or greater than 48. Obviously, cost price of 12 egg is 48. Cost price of 1 egg must be smaller. So 48 by 12. And we have to find out the cost price of how many eggs? 32. 32 eggs is rupees 48 by 12 already, and this is greater, so this multiplied by 32. 12 fours, that 48, that is equals to 128. Answer will be same. Answer must be same. The method is no problem. So you may use unitary method, or that is proportion method or rule of 3 method. So write down the answer here also. The cost price of 32 eggs be rupees 128. Okay. Clear? Next question, the problem number 1. Ditto learns swimming once a week. Let's calculate how many days he go swimming in 364 days. So obviously 1 week is equal to how many days? 1 week is equal to how many days? Send this one to all of us. Very simple question, sir. So in 7 days you may use in unitary method or in other way. So number of days in mathematical language, the problem. Number of days, and he learns swimming. Number 7 days, 1, 364 x. These are in direct proportion or inverse proportion. In 7 days, in 1 week, he goes, suppose in every Sunday he go to learn swimming. So, in 7 days, he go 1 day. In 14 days, that means another Sunday. So, go 2. So, obviously is direct proportion. This is, write the full statement. This is also a direct proportion. So, we can write x is equal to 364 by 7, that is 52. So, write in full form, and this problem also write in using unitary method also. So, either in unitary method or in this way, you write full sentence, full statement and send it to me. And I give you another problem. So, try to solve this also and send it to me. Write in full, either in unitary method or in other way, send it to me, this and another problem. I give you another same type problem from your book of BSc and send it to me. Very simple question. Revision exercise, it is known to all of you. Simplify. One 156 by 121 divided by 13 by 22. Number 2, 9 by 10 divided by 3 by 8 into 2 by 5. Number 3, 2 whole 1 by 3 divided by 1 whole 1 by 6 divided by 2 whole 1 by 4. And number 4, 49 whole 1 by 9 plus 2 whole 4 by 9 59 whole 4 by 9. 49 whole 1 by 9, 2 whole 4 by 9 and 59 whole 4 by 9. Okay. Here, and send it to me in my WhatsApp number 9433457190. 9433457190. This is my personal WhatsApp number. Try to solve this problem and send it to me within time. Okay, that's all for today. Previous problem also, and these are simplification, very easy question. Only 4 problems. You may take these 4 problems or 4 problems take only 7 or 8 minutes. Okay, this is my number. Send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number. That's all. Okay, thank you.